So if you go to Amazon.com and search for Net Rush, like that. Search for Net Rush. Did that work for us? No. Bumhole. I was hoping that would work. All right, no worries. We'll get there another way. Let's go to Balance Bike. I know what they sell. Balance Bike. Here it is. All right. First things first. All right. Before I even get into the awesomeness I'm just about to show you, here's some other awesomeness. Firstly, notice what is the top of the Amazon SERPs. It is the Amazon Choice. Now, I don't know how long I've been rabbiting on about why that's so friggin' important, and I'm not going to rabbit on about it tonight, but clearly Amazon's Choice matters because Amazon wants to dominate search, spoken search within the home, all right? That's what Amazon Choice is, all right? But let's not focus on that. Let's just instead focus on this. Look how this listing here for this Strider bike stands out like dog's balls, because they have broken Amazon's terms of service by putting that 12 Sport balance bike underneath. They've been doing that with all of their listings for ages, and it really, really works, all right? Strictly speaking, it's against Amazon's terms of service, but look how good it looks. It's a flipping awesome idea. Do with that as you will, but it's a really good, and look at this. Let me give you this listing. It's such a good listing. These guys are super smart. Very, very cool. Send to all. Now, if you're watching this on a replay, just do what I just did. Go to Amazon.com, search Balance Bike, you'll get there, okay? All right, so here is the brand name for this. It's called Strider, all right? But it's being sold by NetRush. Now, NetRush is a good company. I happen to know the guys behind it. They're really sharp marketers. So the company name is NetRush. But look at all these brands they've got. All of these lovely brands here that they're selling, and that's all through Amazon Brand Registry. Now, Brand Registry in Australia is still in beta mode, but you can apply for it, and I showed you that last week from memory how to do that, all right? So the answer to the question, geez, I'm just on a tangent tonight, aren't I? The answer to the question is, yes, it's a good idea. That's how you do it. You use Brand Registry to do it, and it works really, really well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.